Ayan, kasama namin si Caitlin and Tita Cara. Go, Riley! Yay!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want.
This is our room, guys. Say hi, everybody. This is our pink room. Tuwan-tuwa si Arya kasi pink room dito sa Okada.
And it means this is a puppy room.
That's a puppy room? A troll's room? Oh my goodness. Hi, Caitlin's na! Ayan, kasama namin si Caitlin and Tita Cara. There's our jacuzzi. Ayan, nag-request ako ng ng fountain view pero wala, hindi nabigay sa amin kasi nga daw depende yun sa room availability on the day. Ayan, ito yung view namin. Hindi siya fountain view, but it's okay. Meron kaming his and hers na na sink. Then there's the jacuzzi. Here's our shower. There. And here's our toilet. Oopsie, baliktad. There. You want to swim na here? Caitlin? Ay, gusto na nila agad mag-swimming. Swim na daw sila. Si Riley also, you want to swim also?
Okay, let's go. Let's on the beach. Look, beach towels for you guys.
That's not beach towel, that's bathrobe.
We're bathrobes for you guys. Come on.
Gusto na agad mag-swimming ni ate. Binuksan ko na guys yung yung water dito sa jacuzzi para makapag-swimming na sila. Ang dilim pa ganyan against the light. Hey, excited oh. Super excited tong mga to. Hindi ko na masyadong tinaasan yung water kasi mga babies ang magsiswimming, nakakatakot. O, pinaswimming muna yung mga toys. Bumaba lang si Ate Cora, bumili siya ng ng food namin. Hey, change their clothes.
Hooray! Hooray!
Nag-request ako guys actually ng king size pero walang available kaya ito na lang. Okay lang din naman yan. Siguro pag joint na lang namin mamaya or kung hindi naman pwede, okay lang din. Let's change your clothes now. We're here at the play. There's Kuya Ben. Sumunod sila mama ulit kasi maglalaro din yung mga pamangkin ko dito. Si Riley, favorite cousin niya is Kuya Ben. Hi, Riley! Hi, love! Hi! Ang cute guys, dito kami sa CR ng Play. They have slippers that you can use inside this CR. Ang cute to kasi ang bababa ng mga sink. Tapos, ayan, nandyan si Arya nagsisiat. Ayan, ito yung mga toilet nila. Ang bababa din, pang bata. Cutie! Daddy's here already. Bababa kami guys kasi si Arya gustong bumili ng Oreo. Meron daw Family Mart sa baba. One, two, smile! Kanina pa kasi gusto ni Arya mag-picture dito. Picture na. Smile again. Smile! What are you eating? She's eating marshmallows. Kasi kanina niya pa kinukuha dito yung ano guys, yung Oreo. May mini Oreo dito. Kaya lang kasi ito lahat hindi siya free. So, ayan, merong nakalagay dito na pag tinanggal mo siya, for more than 60 seconds, babayaran mo na siya. So, meron namang meron namang 7-Eleven sa baba. Lahat naman yan meron din. So, ayan nga si Arya nakabili kanina. 'Di ba? Sayang din. 46 pesos lang to. Same na same. Riley will brush her teeth. Ito yung toothpaste guys ni Riley. Yung Smiles. Tapos si Arya, ito na rin yung ginagamit na toothpaste. Kasi hindi pa sanay si Arya sa masyadong maanghang na toothpaste. No, this is not your toothbrush. This is Ate's toothbrush. I'm gonna put towel here. Kasi baka mabasa ka. Napaliguan ko na kasi sila.
Mommy?
Yeah, opo. Okay, here. I'm gonna put it here. Ang cute. And then, here is Riley's toothbrush. Fingerlings. Safe naman to guys. Kasi for babies talaga to. Kahit na nasa swallow nila, safe pa rin yan. Come on. Wow, good job brushing her teeth. Asus! Asus! Okay, hi everybody! I'm brushing my teeth. Binabrush pa yung tongue niya, oh. Ay, yung tongue! Ay, ino-open pa yung ino-open pa yung gripo, oh. Are you done?
No.
No, hindi pa daw siya done mag-toothbrush. Ang tagal naman mag-toothbrush. Okay, done na si Riley. No, ang tagal naman mag-toothbrush. Naku, ayaw na magpaawat na ito mag-toothbrush, oh. Ganyan yan pag nagtutoothbrush, pahirapan. Kasi ayaw niya nang tumigil. Okay, enough na. Next naman is Ate Arya's turn to brush her teeth. Si Riley nagugulo, ayaw pa tumigil mag-toothbrush. Gargle first. Gargle, diba? Don't drink the water, ha? Okay, come on.
Mommy, it's yummy.
Okay, I know.
I wish I can eat it.
It's apple flavor kasi, anak ko. Guys, ayan, pinag-join namin yung kama para mas malaki, mas maluwag kami. Let's go to sleep na. You say goodnight to everybody.
Nan.
Na. What are you eating?
That's
That's Chips Ahoy. You say Chips Ahoy.
Daddy.
Sleep na here. Riley. Peppa sleeping na, oh. Peppa sleeping, oh. Who wants dede? Pag umaalis kami, guys, ganito na lang yung binabaon ko na milk nila Arya. Dito ko na nilalagay yung formula milk nila. Ito yung madalas ko na ginagamit pag umaalis kami. San Ma'am siya na disposable milk powder. 'Di ba? Para hindi ko nadadalhin talaga yung mga milk na yung mga formula nila kasi ang bulky din sa bag. So, ayan, pina-flat ko na lang siya ng ganyan. Nakikita niyo ba? Ayan, San Ma'am siya na disposable disposable milk powder. Ayan. Dati nakakabili lang ako neto sa Lazada. Pero nung pag-check ko sa Rustans, meron na rin sila, guys. Ayan. Tsaka sa ibang supermarket, meron na rin. So, ayan. Ito yung kay Arya. Nilalagyan ko lang ng A. A is for Ate Arya. And then, yung walang nakasulat is for Riley. Ayan. Tapos, pina-flat ko siya ng ganyan. Tapos, paglagay ko sa ziplock, naka-flat din siya. Para hindi siya bulky sa bag. Who wants dede? Riley. Ganyan siya, guys. Tapos, tatanggalin nyo lang to. Ayan. Ganyan. Tapos, ayan na siya. Diba? Kasi pag ilalagay mo yung formula dito, dito mo siya ilalagay. Tapos, igaganon mo lang siya sa sa dede. So, diba? Less hassle. Saka, yun nga. hindi siya bulky sa bag. May nagtanong pala sa akin sa YouTube, may nag-comment na kung ano daw yung gatas ni Ate Arya. Ang gatas ni Arya, guys, is Nido, yung 1 to 5 years old. And then si Riley, ang gatas niya is yung Enfagrow 1 to 3. Pero bala ko na rin ilipat si Riley sa Nido para medyo mas mura, 'di ba? Kasi ang mahal ng Enfagrow. Pero guys, ito kasing Nido, mas matamis siya. So ang ginagawa ko, sinusobrahan ko yung water. Tapos yung scoops niya, 3 scoops lang. Tapos 8 ounce na water kay Arya. Kasi nagdedede pa din siya kahit na nakatingin siya sa akin. Ayaw niya na pinapaalam na nagdedede siya kasi nahihiya siya. Kasi sabi ko nga, she's turning 5 years old already, but she's still drinking dede. Oh my goodness, you're there pala. Oh my goodness, ate. Dede is for babies only.
Hi guys, we're gonna sleep na. Kasi tomorrow we're gonna go home pa. We're gonna swim pa in the swimming pool tomorrow. Are you excited, guys? So you sleep na, guys. So what are you doing? Are you eating some food, breakfast? What did you eat for breakfast kanina? At our breakfast, we ate Jollibee. How about you? You ate
Jollibee.
But what did you eat? Jollibee or Macdo?
Oh,
What did
you love
you
Jollibee. Okay, ito.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Dito na rin mag-order ng breakfast sa iPad. Ayan, meron silang private dining and meron silang restaurants. Pero since tulog pa yung mga bata, magpa-private dining na lang tayo. Meron silang Western, meron silang Filipino. Teka, naglo-load pa yung iPad. Meron silang Japanese and meron silang Chinese breakfast. Pero syempre, sa Filipino tayo. Ito yung kanilang Western breakfast. So, mamimili ka dito ng egg style mo, ng juices, ng mga cereals and beverage. So, yan. Meron ding mga special request. And there's the Filipino breakfast. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, meron silang mga Western breakfast. Set breakfast na to. Merong Filipino. Tapos, merong sliced fruits. Ayan, merong continental. Merong Chinese breakfast. And merong Japanese Western, ayan, kung gusto mo ng mga bacon. Nag-order ako nitong Western at saka Filipino kasi gusto ni Jeno ng tocino and tapa. You wash your hands first. You wash your hands first, okay? Here. You wash your hands. Here. Riley. Here's our breakfast. We have tocino for daddy, bacon for mommy. Tapa for Riley and Ate Arya, and bread. Yan, gusto ni Riley nitong bread. And juices. Ay, cornflakes pala. I ordered cornflakes for you and what's this? Strawberry milkshake and chocolate milkshake. Let's eat, guys. And then there's danggit pa, oh. Tapos merong champurrado. Tapos milk. Pero ang pinapartner ko talaga dito is condensed. So mag-request na lang tayo ng condensed. Jacuzzi. Hindi na kami magsiswimming sa cove, hindi na kami pupunta doon kasi nga anong oras na rin? 11 na. Nag-request ako ng late check-out. Binigay sa amin hanggang 1 p.m. lang. So, 11 a.m. na. Sobrang kulang na kami sa time. Yeah, we will go later, okay? After check-out. Kasi yung swimming pool, guys, dito sa Coral, yung outdoor swimming pool nila, under renovation pa. Kaya hindi kami makakapag-swimming doon. So, indoor lang kami. Yung cove na bar, inopen nila yon for the hotel guests. Pero kasi ang layo dito from our hotel room. Malayo yung cove. So, sabi ni Daddy, hindi na raw kami pupunta doon kasi nga kulang na sa time. Baka yung pagpunta pa lang namin, 30 minutes na. So, kulang sa time. Magliligpit pa kami ng kwarto kasi in check-out nga namin until 1 p.m. lang. Dito na lang sila mag-swimming. Kasi nga malayo pa yung cove. Ito yung cove, guys. Oh, ayan. Nakikita namin dito yung cove. Diyan sana kami magsiswimming. Pero kasi malayo daw. Sabi rin ni Kuya kanina yung naghatid ng breakfast namin. Medyo malayo siya from here. Yan, anak. They call it cove. Kita namin, guys, from here yung mga villa nila, oh. Ito yung mga villa nila na worth parang 500,000 a night. Ito, oh. Ito yung mga villa nila, yung mga Villa El Nido, Boracay. Ayan ata yung tawag nila sa mga ganyan. We're going home na, guys. We're not going home pala. We will go pa to play kasi si Ate Arya gusto ulit magpunta sa play. Kaya lang wala na akong dalang leggings nila. Ayan na lang. Isa lang yung dala kong leggings nila eh. Pero buti na lang meron akong dalang extrang socks nila. Bye-bye, Pink Hotel! What did you say kanina?
It's such a nice hotel.
It's such a nice hotel, Mami. Kasi nung pagpasok nga namin, puro pink. Kaya tuwang-tuwa siya. Hindi mo naubos yung mo, anak ko? Strawberry mo? Si Riley hinahabol yung yung bird. We're going to play now. Run, run, Riley, run! Yay! Go, Riley! Yay! Hi, Riley! Hi, Riley! Hi! Si Arya na-stack up na doon. Ayaw mag-slide dito sa green na slide. Kasi daw masyadong steep, hindi naman. Oh no! Are you tired?
We're going home, guys.
We're going home. And it's raining really hard. I'm so sleepy. Let's
No.
sleep, okay? We will sleep.
And
We will sleep early.
Why?
After dinner, we're gonna sleep early because we're all tired.